Alright friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this, I'm going to compare the OnePlus Nord 2 versus the Realme GT Neo 2 device. Which phone is the best option to buy right now? The main reason why I'm uploading this video is because right now the OnePlus Nord 2 has got 2000 rupees discount in the Amazon website using the ICICI Bank card. So you can actually get that, yes. So as you can see friends, you can get the 2000 rupees instant discount using ICICI Bank credit card. But there's no discount going on the Realme GT Neo 2. But usually the Realme GT Neo 2, the price will come down to 28,000 rupees. So when there's offers going on the Realme GT Neo 2, but right now there is no offers. Or friends, few of the users, they want to know, should they buy the OnePlus Nord 2 or should they buy the Realme GT Neo 2? So this video might be really helpful for a lot of other users who are actually in this kind of confusion right now. So first thing, let me try to compare each and every aspect between these both phones. The price is kind of really very close between these two devices, nothing much huge difference regarding the price. So price is not a matter at this moment. And next thing is about the performance. So OnePlus Nord 2, which has got the Dimensity 1200 chipset in this device, in this OnePlus Nord 2 device, and Realme GT Neo 2, which has got the Snapdragon 870 chipset. So when compared with this Dimensity 1200, the Snapdragon 870 is quite slightly better. And one more thing, the temperatures are slightly higher in the OnePlus Nord 2. And a quick note, I forgot to mention about this kind of, in case if you're worried about the blast issues and all those things, definitely you can choose the Realme GT Neo 2 to be on safe side. And regarding the performance, so slightly kind of better, definitely we can expect in the Snapdragon 870 chipset when compared with the Dimensity 1200. Not only the benchmarks, if you try to look at the normal performance results and everything, so you'll be able to exactly observe the difference in the benchmarks and everything, as you can see clearly. That's a huge difference regarding the benchmark wise overall. So in the performance segment, definitely friends, the Snapdragon 870 slight advantage, but still the battery one's mobile game not yet updated to the latest graphics. Still the phone need to get updated. As you can clearly see friends, right now still the graphics are not yet updated, so which are still not having the extreme settings, so you cannot play at extreme settings at all. And Ultra HD is not even available in the OnePlus Nord 2 at this moment, unfortunately. So this is the situation with the OnePlus Nord 2 in this segment, in case if you're planning to buy the phone. So these are the things you should definitely know. So performance wise, no problem friends, the OnePlus Nord 2 feels really good, even with the normal usage or medium usage. Every usage as well kind of okay. But in case if you're a kind of Snapdragon fan, if you want to have only the Snapdragon processor if you want to buy, then definitely go for the Realme GT Neo 2. So next thing is about the display segment. Which display is really good? So for me, I would definitely prefer the Realme GT Neo 2 display. Yes friends, Realme GT Neo 2, which has got 120Hz refresh rate and which has got even Super AMOLED display, big screen display, higher touch sampling rate. So in each and every category, the Realme GT Neo 2 has got slight advantage over the OnePlus Nord 2 device regarding the display as well. That's fantastic. So that's no issues friends regarding the display, and you can see the flickering happening in the OnePlus Nord 2 and no flickering in the Realme GT Neo 2. That's something you should know it. And next thing is regarding the battery and the charging, which phone is the really best? Battery backup, absolutely the Realme GT Neo 2, and charging speed is, I think OnePlus Nord 2 can charge in 30 minutes, but this phone with high battery capacity also, this can actually charge within close to, I think, 35 minutes of time. 35 minutes of time and 30 minutes of time the OnePlus Nord 2 will take to charge. So 30 minutes and 35 minutes of time the Realme GT Neo 2. So that friend is kind of very close, but still I did like the battery backup in the Realme GT Neo 2 or the OnePlus Nord 2 device. So in the battery and the charging segment, points goes to the Realme GT Neo 2 department. Next thing is about the camera. Camera, absolutely the beast is OnePlus Nord 2 device. Yes friends, OnePlus Nord 2 has got really very good camera on the back side, and low light photography is fantastic in this device. Front camera is kind of quite similar, nothing much huge difference regarding the front cam, but back camera shots are wow. It's really amazing to see that kind of shots in this OnePlus Nord 2 device. Low light photography and everything is fantastic. This is a photo which are taken in complete dark. That's really amazing to see this kind of impact on the cameras in this phone. So the low light photography is not that great in the Realme GT Neo 2, as you can see. You can clearly see the difference how much it is. It's really very good, that camera in this OnePlus Nord 2 when compared with the Realme GT Neo 2. But outdoor photography sometimes this can be kind of okay, but I'll prefer the OnePlus Nord 2 camera shots over the Realme GT Neo 2 cameras. And next thing is about the connectivity. Connectivity, which phone is really best? Connectivity wise, both phones, they do have the really good connectivity. So more 5G bands and 4G plus good signals. Connectivity Wi-Fi also really good. So no issues with the connectivity, both are completely same. Build quality also, both are kind of very similar. Dual speakers, no 3.5mm jack, and in-display fingerprint scanners. Both phones, they're having nothing much major problems regarding them. And nothing to talk about the build quality, but haptic feedback slightly kind of stronger in the Realme GT Neo 2. That's something you should know. And software updates wise, the OnePlus Nord 2 will receive the updates like very fast when compared with the Realme GT Neo 2. For example, every month we do get security patch updates, right? So Realme will send these updates in the batch wise. So for every maybe 2000 3000 users day 1, and day 5 some users, day 10 some users. Not all the people will be receiving at same time updates, but in the OnePlus Nord 2, instant updates for all the users at same time. OnePlus Nord 2, and regular software updates are consistent in this phone than the Realme GT Neo 2, because right now it's running latest November update, and this Realme GT Neo 2 is still running October security patch update. I think, as you can see, October security patch. Still, I did not receive any kind of updates in this Realme GT Neo 2, unfortunately. So that's it, friends. This is a quick comparison between both phones, and overall, let me to be clear. Realme GT Neo 2 has got advantage of Snapdragon 870 chipset and big screen display and big battery mobile phone. That's it. These are the few advantages for the Realme GT Neo 2 device. And next advantage for the OnePlus Nord 2 is having a better camera and better software updates in the OnePlus Nord 2. These are the few things which I did find out are really good in the OnePlus Nord 2 device. Only if you want the camera, then go for the OnePlus Nord 2, or if you want this kind of brand, OnePlus brand, if you are into that kind of fan, then you can actually prefer the OnePlus Nord 2. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching this a quick comparison between both phones, and meanwhile signing off until then, stay tuned for more updates. Until then, bye.